Hello teachers, welcome to this tutorial, and today we're going to learn, or I'm going to help you how to create an activity with the tool Formative. Okay, so we are having a different kind of evaluations, and this is something amazing. This tool is really good. You can see in real time how your student is working, what is his or her performance during the test. So here we are going to create our own activity. Okay, so first you go to your searcher. In this case I'm using this one, but you can use Google. It works really good. You start to write Formative. You choose the first option, and we're going to sign up or log in with our Gmail account, with our email account. Okay, so it is the same. If you click here, you just log in with your email account. In my case, I already have my account, so I'm going to start here, but it's the same step. Okay, you sign up with your email account or you log in with your email account. Okay, so I'm going to choose Gmail or Google in this case, because I already have my account in this platform, and then I need to choose my name. In this case is this one. Okay, so now I'm going to start to create my own activity with Formative. So let me just let it wait. Let's wait for this platform. Okay, good. So here we have some options, like if we want to create classes, or we can see the reports of the assessments, so we can check it out here. So now I'm going to add a new one. I have these options, but the option that we're going to choose is Formative. Okay, Formative. We're going to start creating a new activity. Okay, this is the title. Now you can add your title. In this case, just as an example, I'm going to evaluate parts of a plant. Okay, it is just an example, but you can create your activities. Okay, so I need my activity in a multiple choice. Here I'm going to add my question, and here the options, the possible answers. Okay, so let me add the instructions here. Okay, choose the right answer. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to add my question, and here are the options. At the end, don't forget to check what is the right answer. Your students have to choose the right one. Okay, so I'm going to add my questions and my options in the answers. Okay, here I have my question and the possible answers, and here I checked the right one. In this case is this. What is the function of the root? Because we are evaluating parts of a plant, and I choose this answer. Okay, so now if I want to add another option, I just click here, but in this case I'm going to save it, or I'm going to add another question. Okay, like here I just add multiple choice, and I have the second question. I'm going to add it here in the options. I need 3 options. Okay, I'm going to write my question in here. Okay, here I have 2 questions, the first one, the second one. Here I select the answer. Okay, so now because we finished, here I just add 2 questions, but you can add more. Here you can change the color here. Okay, you can add the Google Drive, you upload a photo. Okay, or just choose a color. So when you finish, you check all your questions or your answers, Now you are going to come here and we're going to choose one of these options. Okay, in this case, the teacher, please. Okay, now I'm going to select this option and we are ready to play it. So just wait for it. Okay, and now I have the link. I can copy. I go to another page. I place it here, and now I'm going to be in the activity that I created before. Okay, now I added my name. Now I'm going to click here. Here I am playing like a student. Okay, this is the screen that the student is going to see. Okay, parts of a plant. Okay, because I'm in the teacher's mode, so I have to wait for the teacher. Okay, so now I have my student here. I'm going to start now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm here and we have the instructions here. Choose the right answer. So let's see what is the teacher doing. Okay, we are okay, we can do it again. Okay, let's go with the first one, and this is the student screen. What is the function of the root? So I need to select the right one. Absorb water. Okay, this is the answer, and the teacher is going to see here the answers. Continue with the next one. So the student is going to choose again, and now we can finish the session. Okay, we already have. We can see these answers here. Okay, and we can stop it. We can play it again, and that's it. We have 2 answers. So here we can see the progress of our students using this tool. And as you can see, you can your students can check the points or the results of the activity. So this is instant feedback. Okay, so this is our screen, so we can finish the game. This is something that you can fix here, like set up if you want to return scores or answers. You can do it here. Okay, and this is how it works. We can see the results here, the answers, what we got. We can download the answers. This is something really good. Okay, you have the progress here. You don't need to check again. No, you are watching in real time how your students are answering the questions. You can see the scores, the percent. Okay, so now it's still working, but I can pause it or close the session. This is really good. I invite you to create your own activity with Formative. This tool is excellent, helpful, and friendly. You just need to go ahead and try to create your own activities, okay? And even you can check, as I said before, the name of your students, who is working or who is playing, who is not here, so you can check it out. Okay, so this is Formative. I hope you are going to create your activity. See you.